How to fix Instagram story problem. Hello guys, so first thing, go to the settings and then go into the apps. On this page, all what you want to do next is wait a few seconds and then go to the search bar here and search for Instagram like this. Click on it, go into the data usage, make sure to enable every option here, go back, click on force stop, and then go into the power usage details, click down here on force stop, go to the settings on your phone again, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode exactly like that. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.